7th and 8th. You have completed both? Unmute yourself, Angel.
Sir, on my screen, sir, your spotlight is not coming. Sir,
I've been
only
full
one.
screen.
It is coming.
Check your phone once. It's available in Spotlight to everyone now. Check once. Or you can do it, pin me. Okay, join it again. Okay. Okay, 9th question. First one we have done or not?
Sir, I have joined, sir. Now it is coming.
Okay. So
Sir,
9th
first and second we have completed.
first and second we have
First and
completed. Okay.
second.
Third, have you tried? Okay, we start with third. These are important as well. So we'll be doing them in class. After this, we'll be doing the revision exercise. There is one correction revision exercise as well. Okay. So we are doing third one, 9th third one. See, your base is same. This is very easy, third one. -5 into 3 raised to power 4 raised to power -6 equal to 3 by 4 raised to power -2x minus 3. So first check the base. Are the base same? Base are same? Both
Yes,
base are
sir.
same? So we can write it as
Yes,
3
sir.
by 4 raised to power -5, and it will be how much? Plus minus 6. -6 we can write equal to 3 by 4 raised to power 2x minus 3. Since base are same, we can equate the powers. Okay, so it will be how much? Okay, one more time we are writing 3 by 4 raised to power -11. 3 by 4. Please mute your everyone.
Sir, -2x minus 3.
That's it is -2x minus 3. Okay, now equate the power. Since base are same, we can equate the power. -11 equal to -2x minus 3. Okay, -3 we took on
Yes.
that side. -11 plus 3 equal to -2x. Okay, it will be how much? -8 equal to -2x. Or we can write 2x equal to 8. X equal to 3.
8 upon
4. I took the 2 cube I took. Okay, x equal to 4. Understood?
yes, sir.
Everyone have understood? Okay, next one, do it
Yes,
now. Everyone do the next one. I give you 1 minute. You have 1 minute to solve. Next one. Solve the next one. In revision exercise, there are many questions over them. Okay, so we have 2 by 3. X plus 1 divided by 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2 equal to 2 by 3 raised to power 6. Okay,
6.
this is the question. Okay, so 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, they all are same. Here we have to remove divide sign. Okay, so if it is in division, either see here, there are many ways to solve this one. If it is division, we can simply write it like this as well. 2 by 3 raised to power x plus 1 and minus 2. Okay, or we can do it like this: x plus 1 divided by 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2. We can write it like this.
Sir, we can also write into reciprocal.
Yes, there are many ways. So I'll be telling first this way, then one more way. Okay, there are many ways to solve them. Okay, it will be 2 by 3 raised to power 6. Okay, so base are same. So what will be the next? 2 by 3 raised to power. If I'm writing a raised to power m, a raised to power n, it will be what? A raised to power m minus n.
Yes, sir. M
Okay.
minus.
So here what will be? Don't put anything in the chat box. I forgot to remove that one. Today I'll be removing that. Don't put anything in chat box.
Okay.
2 by 3 x plus 1 minus 2. It will become plus 2 by 3 raised to power 6. This is clear to everyone? X plus
Yes.
1 minus 2. Next step will be 2 by 3 raised to power x plus 1 plus 2 equal to 2 by 3 raised to power 6. Okay, it will be how much? X plus 3
X plus 3.
raised to power 6. Now, since base are same, we can equate the power. X plus 3 equal to 6. X equal to how much?
X is equals to 6 minus 3 is equals to
Minus 3.
X equal to X equal to 3, you got? Okay. This is one way to
Yes.
do. Okay. This way is clear to everyone. Anyone have doubt? Okay. See the question once, see this term. Okay. You can see 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Base are same. So while solving here, we haven't touched or changed this fraction. We have kept it as 2 by 3. Okay. But now you can see here, it is minus 2. Okay. And divide. It is divide and minus 2. So once if we take the reciprocal, it will become plus 2. Okay. If I
Yes,
take the
sir.
reciprocal. So first, x plus 1. I'm removing this divide sign. It means I have to take the reciprocal. This is clear?
Sir, minus 2 not will be there, sir, plus 2.
I have changed this one. Okay, one way is this one, or you can do it directly. That is, divide and minus 2 you can remove. Its reciprocal will be plus 2. 2 by 3 raised to power 2. This way as well you can do.
Yes, sir. I am.
Or you can proceed one by one time. That is, once you multiply 3 by 2 raised to power minus 2. Again take the reciprocal, it will become plus. This way as well you can do. Okay. Or you can do the first way. Okay. Mainly, most of the students are going to follow the first way. Yes. This is clear. This way as well you can do. Okay. Now start the
Yes.
revision exercise. Revision exercise, I will mostly give you as homework. Okay. First one, divide the sum of the rational numbers by the difference of this one. Okay. So how you are going to do? First, you are going to add sum of the rational numbers. The question is minus 5 by 7 plus 11 by 3. Okay. Their sum, it has to be divided by difference of 6 by 13 minus 17 upon 5 it is. 5. Have you understood? Divide the sum of these two rational numbers by difference of these two rational numbers. This you have understood how to form the equation, how to form the statement.
Yes, sir.
Minus 5 by 7 plus 11 by 8. It is the sum and it is the difference. Okay. Solve it. You can solve it. So do it as homework. Second one. Product of two rational numbers is 17 upon 65. One of them is find the other. Second one, can you do as homework? Product of two rational numbers. Take one rational number as x It means 17 upon 60 is given. 65. Product of two rational numbers is given how much? Minus 51 upon 169. Okay, solve for x, take it on this side, divided by 17 upon 65. Then take the reciprocal, it will convert into multiplication. Now they will cancel. 17 3 ja. Okay, you can do that one. This is clear. Fourth one, third one. Okay, with the questions which I give you as homework, you have to solve them. And if you don't get it, we'll discuss them in class tomorrow. Okay. Next one. Bag contains. So bag contains how many apples? First two questions, anyone have doubt or not able to clear? Okay. Third one, a bag contains these many apples, these many oranges, these many mangoes, these many grapes, and some guavas. Okay, total bag cost that weight is given. Find the weight of guavas. Okay. So apples how much? 1/2 kg. Convert it into 5/4 kg. Similarly, convert each one. Okay, convert each one. Okay, and let guava is given on guava is not given. Guava is equal to how much? Weight of guava is equal to x kg, and you can solve that one. Okay, you will add all them equal to total weight is given 4x. You will solve them. Okay, third one is clear. Fourth one, you have to do it yourself. You have to verify associative law we have done. Also verify the distributive law. You have to do it. Okay. Now fifth one we start. From fifth one we start. Okay. Find the value of each of the following. First one, do in your notebook fast. Solve it. Everyone start doing in your notebook.
Sir, fifth first.
Fifth first. Fifth first. And do write the steps in first and second questions. Third as well. Okay. And fourth, I already told how to solve. First write the equation, then take LHS. What you have to prove? To prove this one, then take LHS. Okay, then take RHS, then answer 1 equal to answer 2. That way you have to prove. Okay, remember that one. Okay, so fifth one, 1 raised to power 0 plus 2 raised to power 0 plus 3 raised to power minus 1 plus 4 raised to power minus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 1 whole raised to power minus 2. Okay.
Sir, we do not like brackets.
Yes. Okay. This is clear. This is the question. So first we'll be solving within the brackets. Okay. So again put the bracket. 1 raised to power 0 is 1.
1.
2 raised to power 0 is 1. 3 raised to power minus 1 we can write 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Okay. And it will be how much? A raised to power m whole raised to power m. It is how much? A raised to power m into n. So it will be how much? Minus 1 into minus 2. It will be how much? 2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4. Don't skip the steps or mistake will take place. 2 raised to power 2. Okay. What will be the LCM?
12.
12. Okay. So how much it will be?
24.
24. 3 4 ja 4. 3. Into 4. How much we are getting? 28. How much it will be?
31.
31. Now, can we cancel them?
Yes, sir.
31 upon
3.
is the answer same? Okay, we have got first one. First part is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there's one more thing I have to
Yes,
remind.
sir.
Okay, there's one more thing I have to remind. See revision exercise first. Second question. Okay, second question, check the answers. It must be minus 13 upon 15. This will be the answer. Okay, check in your book. If it is given wrong, correct it. It will be minus 13 upon 15. Second question, question second answer. Revision exercise, question second, check once answer what is given. Is it corrected?
No, sir.
Okay, it is minus 13 upon 15. Correct answer is minus 13 upon 15. Everyone do correct it. Minus 13 upon 15. This is the correct answer. Okay, everyone correct in your book. Question second answer is minus 13 upon 15. What is given in book? Minus 15 upon 13. Okay, this is clear. Okay. Okay, do sixth first. Or do sixth second. Do sixth second. Sixth second. Do sixth second. Everyone do sixth second. And tomorrow, Thursday, I'll be free. In afternoon, I'll be preparing the list of those students, those who have submitted the work. Okay. So if you haven't submitted the work, do submit it. Tomorrow, I'll be preparing the list.
Sir, first chapter.
First chapter. Okay, do the sixth second. 1 by 4 raised to power minus 4 plus 1 by 3. Okay, go one by one. Go stepwise. Don't skip the step. It is very easy. These are curly brackets. Okay, divided by the question looks huge, but it's very easy. It's very easy. So 1 by 4 is 1 minus 4 and 1 by 3 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, so first solve within the bracket. So 1 by 4 raised to power minus 4. What we can write? 4 raised to power 4 plus have 3 raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 2. Okay, divided by 5 raised to power 1, that is 5. 6 raised to power 2, 6 square. Everyone have done the same way or not? Okay. Now 4 raised to power 4 will be how much? 64 4 ja. How much you have got? Solve it and tell me. Everyone solve them. Anyone who got the answer 4 is to power 4?
256.
16.
256. Okay. 3 cube will be how much? This you have got divided by 5 plus 36. Okay, solve this one. How much you'll be getting? How much it
287.
is? 287 divided by
41.
41. Okay, divide them. Are they divisible?
7 times.
Check it. They are divisible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
By what?
7 times.
7 times. See here, mainly there is one trick as well. We can check as well. So 1 by what we should multiply 1. So we get 7. 7.
Seven.
Now check the whole number with 7. 7 1 is 7. 4 7 is 28. Okay. So you take the unit place and take it. So you get the idea by what number we should multiply. Should we multiply with 7 or 17 or 27? We can get the idea from that. Okay. This is clear? Okay. Do 7 first. Everyone solve 7 first. Is this clear? Listen here. If you have doubt, don't understand, ask immediately. Okay. Okay. Next one. Keep solving 7 first. 2 square whole cube plus 1 upon 3 raised to power 0 plus 3 square into 1 upon 3 minus 1 minus 2. Okay. So 1 by 1 we will solve. We'll go stepwise. Okay. So 2 square cube. It will be how much? 2 raised to power 6 plus whatever inside doesn't matter. If it is raised to power 0, 1 plus 3 raised to power 4 into 1 upon 3 raised to power minus 1 minus 2. It will be 1 upon 3 raised to power 2. Okay. Again, we go stepwise. 2 raised to power 6 plus 1 plus 3 raised to power 4 into 1 upon 3 square. Okay. 2 raised to power 6 will be how much? 2 raised to power 6 will be how much? How much it is? Calculate and tell me. So see something will be
64.
54. Okay. So we can do it here. 64 plus 1 plus it will be here 3 raised to power 4 divided by 3 raised to power square. 3 square. 64 plus 1 plus 3 raised to power 4 minus 2, that is square. I write one more step, 4 minus 2. 64, 65 plus 3 square. Understood this one? 4 minus 2. How much it will be? 17? 74. Is the answer correct? Okay. Do the 8th one. Okay. Third, first you do the 8th one first. Here we will use one trick as well. Okay. 7th first, everyone have completed? 7th first. Everyone have completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 8th
Yes, sir.
first you do it. Use the trick here. 4 you can write 2 square. Okay. 4 you can write 2 square. Okay. It's a good question. Okay, so question is 2 raised to power minus 3, 2 raised to power minus 3 whole raised to power 2 divided by 4 raised to power minus 4 raised to power minus 3. Okay, so it will be how much? 2 raised to power minus 6 divided by, okay, so what we should do first? Minus, if we keep we can keep minus outside, minus 4 raised to power minus 3. Can we write it like this? It is like this, minus 4, okay, minus a raised to power m, where m is odd. We can write it as minus a raised to power m. Yes or no? So, minus I have removed from the power. Minus of 4 raised to power minus 3. We can write it like this. Yes or no? This is fine. Okay. 2 raised to power minus 6 divided by minus, we can write it as 2 raised to power 2 whole raised to power minus 3. Can we write it like this? Okay. Now 2 raised to power minus 6 divided by minus 2 raised to power minus 6. Is this clear? Two raised to power minus 6 divided by, okay, minus 1 divided by 2 raised to power 6. We can write it like this. Okay. Next one, 2 raised to power minus 6. Divide we can remove into minus 2 raised to power 6. And minus will be whole outside. This can be written as minus 2 raised to power minus 6 into 2 raised to power 6. How much we are getting? Anyone who haven't understood, just let me know. Minus 2 raised to power minus 6 plus 6 minus 2 raised to power 0. It will be minus 1. Have you understood? Anyone who haven't understood? Anyone who haven't understood, just let me know. We can, or else you won't be able to solve the second one. Anyone have doubt? So we have gone stepwise. See here, it is minus, okay, here we know a raised to power mn 2 raised to power minus 6 divided by minus 4 raised to power minus 3. So this minus sign we have removed from power. Since it is odd power, so we can write minus 4 raised to power minus 3. Okay. Now this power has nothing to do with this negative sign. Okay. This 4 we can write 2 square. This is clear. This 4 we can write 2 square. 4 raised to power minus 3. Okay. Now it will be 2 raised to power minus 6. This minus 6, we can take it inverse. So minus is already there, minus 1 upon 2 raised to power 6. Understood? Now it is in division, we can take multiplication. So 2 raised to power 6 will come in numerator. Inverse you have to take multiply minus 2 raised to power 6. Minus we can take whole out. We can take minus here as well, whole out. Doesn't matter. Okay. Here as well, we can take out. No issues with that. Okay. Minus 2 raised to power minus 6 into 2 raised to power 6. A raised to power m into a raised to power n. We add the powers. We add minus 6 plus 0. Minus 1. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do the second one now. Do the second one now. Everyone do the second one. Do the second one. Okay. And remaining we'll discuss tomorrow in class. And if you have doubt, do ask in class. You have to submit. Okay, this exercise, revision exercise, you can do within 2 or 3 days. And you can ask till Saturday any doubt in this exercise. You can have, we will discuss doubts from this revision exercise till Saturday. Okay. Then Sunday morning you submit the exercise. Okay, 3 raised to power 8 divided by 3 raised to power minus 6. Okay. Into 9 raised to power minus 2 whole raised to power 3. Okay. It is very easy, this one. So we can solve this one and this side. Okay. One side of the this multiplication sign we solve, and this side we solve this one. So we can write it like this: 3 raised to power 8 divided by 3 raised to power minus 6. Okay. Multiply.
Yes.
This we can write 3 square whole raised to power minus 2 whole raised to power 3. Or we can, before that we can do one thing. Okay. Before that we can do one thing. 9 raised to power
So we
minus
can
6.
add the powers.
Here's how we can add. It is a raised to power m whole raised to power n. So 9 raised to power minus 6 will be there. Always
Yes,
remember
sir.
this. Okay. This will be how much? 3 raised to power 8 plus or minus minus 6. So it will become, okay, one more step is right issues. 3 raised to power square whole raised to power minus 6. So it will be how much? 3 raised to power 8 plus 6.
Plus
Here,
6.
here 3 raised to power minus 12. 3 raised to power how much? 14 into 3 raised to power minus 12. Add them powers.
Minus 12.
3 raised to power 14 plus minus 12 minus 12. 3 square 9.
9.
9. Understood? Okay. So do one thing. See here today homework is much. So no, there's no need to complete the all questions in one day. You can complete them tomorrow as well. Okay, day after tomorrow as well. By Saturday we must complete. Okay. So tomorrow we'll start from 9th question.
Sir.
Okay. So till Saturday we'll be discussing the other chapter as well. And before discussing the other chapter, we'll take 5 minutes if you have any doubts in this chapter. So tomorrow we'll discuss 9, 10, 11. Okay. And after that, every day will be, if any doubts are there in this revision exercise, we will take them and discuss in class. Okay. So we'll start from the first again. if you have doubt. Okay, so complete this exercise within till Saturday. Okay, and tomorrow we'll start these 9, 10, 11 question, and then we'll start the new chapter next one. Those who don't have the book, just text me on WhatsApp. Okay, text your name and that you need mathematics book, 8th class mathematics book. Okay, third chapter will be starting squares and square roots. Okay, then we end the class here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye to all.